So this is part 2 of my video of 2008 E350 brake controller little shortcut. So you can see the wire, that red wire goes all the way to the back of the van. And like the other videos I was saying, those guys usually run the wire up all the way up to the controller. But this is a shortcut. So you could see my wire going all the way to the back of the van, and it goes all the way up. I used a red wire because I didn't have a blue wire. So right here, like I said, the connector is usually right here. That's number one terminal, or number one position. And that goes through the plug and plugs into this terminal right down here. This is number one. So what you do is, this doesn't go through the plug on some chassis. Maybe the package, trailer package chassis does, but this one does not. So what you want to do is, you can see here, I've got to turn the flashlight on. So there we go. So yeah, here you can see right here, it's a blue wire. I don't know if you can see that blue wire goes up into the you can see it blue right there, goes up into the harness that goes up to the top, and then now you do is just plug this connector back in like this. And I've already yeah, you can see I've already crimped, and it's a shrink tube crimp. So you want to make sure you do that, otherwise you will get contamination or wire corrosion. Always use a good shrink tube connectors. So plug this in. This is a chassis plug right here. It goes on here. Screw that down. There you go. So that's all done there. And then all I gotta do now is tie up the wire all the way to the back. So that's all you do for the blue wire that runs up to the that's for this wire right here, this blue wire right here. It goes up to the controller, which is right there. And that's gonna get mounted right up on the panel here. That's where most guys, and then like I said, this is the plug right here. It has a blue wire on it. You can see it right there. See that blue wire right there? It's that terminal right on the bottom there. So I'm going to cut this plug off and hook up them wires. So all right, don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos.